Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore how to create an arc chart using Software Ideas Modeler. Arc charts are fantastic for visualizing relationships and proportions in your data. So let's jump right in. First, open up Software Ideas Modeler. Once you're in, head over to the Project Ribbon tab at the top of the screen. Click on Add New Diagram in the Content group, the very first button on the left. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see a list on the left. Scroll down and select Charts, then choose Arc Chart from the options on the right. Let's give our diagram a meaningful name. Type How People React to New Technology into the Name box at the bottom. Once you've entered the name, click OK. Great! We now have our Arc Chart template ready to go. The next step is to input our data. The quickest way to do this is by using the Fast Editor sidebar. Look to the sidebar on the right and find the icon that looks like an F with a pencil. Click on it, and you'll see the default chart items appear. Here, you can easily edit the existing data or paste in a whole new set. Let's paste in our data. Simply copy your dataset and paste it directly into the Fast Editor. And just like that, all your data is now displayed in the arc chart, complete with the appropriate percentages and exact numbers in parentheses. If you'd prefer to show only the percentages and hide the exact values, that's easy to adjust. Open the Properties sidebar. Find the Show Value checkbox and uncheck it. Voila! Now your chart displays only the percentages, making it cleaner and easier to read. Need to make a quick change to a specific item? Simply double-click on the cell within the diagram. You can edit its caption or value right here. Want to style individual cells? Select a cell and open the Styles sidebar. Double-click on your desired style and it will be applied to the selected cell. Feel free to repeat this for any other cells you'd like to customize. You can easily resize the entire chart to suit your needs. Use the sizing grips around the chart to adjust it to any proportion and size. But what if the labels aren't clearly associated with their respective parts of the chart? We can fix that. First, make sure the entire chart is selected and not just one of its cells. Then, go to the Styles sidebar. Expand the Label Connector group. Check the Show Label Connectors option. Now, each label is connected to its corresponding section in the chart with a line, making it much clearer. If you need to remove an item from your chart, it's straightforward. Right-click on the item within the diagram editor and select Remove Field from the context menu. Once you're happy with your arc chart, you might want to share it on your website, social media, or include it in a document. To export your chart, right-click anywhere in the diagram editor and choose Export Diagram. You'll have a variety of formats to choose from, including JPEG, PNG, SVG, and many more. You can also adjust the size of the exported image for better resolution, ensuring your chart looks sharp and professional wherever you use it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a detailed arc chart using Software Ideas Modeler. It's a powerful way to visualize data and relationships. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Software Ideas Modeler tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy modeling.